Today, we are going to learn about handsaw and its type. Hello, welcome to my channel Woodwork Techniques. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. A handsaw is a saw that is used to cut the material, like wood, metals, etc. It is called handsaw because it is powered by hands. Let's move to its type. Number 1 is handsaw. This is normal saw that we see generally, and it is used to cut the wood. Number 2 is crosscut saw. This handsaw is operated from two sides, so it is known as two-handed saw. It is used to cut the trunk of tree, and we use it in rough work. Number 3 is Japanese pole saw. This is used in Japan and European countries. This saw cut the material in pole strike, so it is known as pole saw. Its blade is flexible and thin, and we can remove it or can fix permanent. Let's see in video how it works. Number 4 is hacksaw. In this, saw blade is fixed in C-type frame and tightened by a screw. It is used in metal work. That's why its tooth per inch is high. Let's see how it works. Number 5 is copying saw. This is similar as hacksaw, but its blade is very thin. It is used in fine work and for finishing work. Its tooth per inch is very high, and it is used in wood and metal, both. Number 6 is back saw. This saw is also known as tenon saw or joint saw. Its tooth per inch is high. This is used for making wood joints. Saw blades, also defined as TPI, or tooth per inch. It mean more TPI mean good finishing, and less TPI mean rough finishing. I hope you understand this topic. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.